Need help? Oh no, shit, no. Try it again. Uh-oh. Remove the other leg. Try it again. You sit down. That's it. Very good. Careful. Well done, baby. Your butt. Your butt. Fix the back. Another one. Fix another one. Fix the back side. Take care of me. But enough about our rock solid relationship. Good girl. So, Jared, fix the back. Do you do anything interesting